At Samdo Press, we manufacture JIS special grade presses based on decades of experience and proven engineering expertise. This newly developed press is a dedicated system supplied to a defense industry manufacturer. It was designed from the ground up to match the customer's product and their specific production process. This press features a 190mm stroke and supports variable operation from 50 to 85 strokes per minute. Even under high-speed conditions, it is designed to maintain stable and consistent precision. By applying Samdo Press's proprietary technologies, this machine achieves low-noise operation despite its high-speed performance. Reduced noise is not only about comfort, it reflects the stability and quality of the machine itself. Due to the nature of the defense industry, material characteristics and potential risks must be carefully considered. For this reason, explosion-proof specifications were applied during component design and material selection. The result is a press engineered for a safer and more reliable production environment. Faster, more precise, and safer. That is the standard we pursue.